like a pink, dark pink. Pink, dark pink. Very good, Aisha. Well done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for joining me today. My name is Aisha. So in today's video we are going to be doing look number 7 using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette, and this is the last and final look in my series. So if you guys haven't seen the previous looks, please do make sure to check them out. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload. So today I think we're going to go more purple, and maybe we're going to put some orange in there, so we'll see how it turns out. I don't really have a plan, but that's all I know for now. So let's get started with this look. The first shade I'm going to go in with is the shade Not My Journey, which is this dark cool tone purple down the bottom here, and on a fluffy brush I'm just going to blend that into my crease. So I'm just going to like pack on the colour where I want it, and then later I'm going to blend it out, and I'm just going to wing it out slightly at the edge here. I feel like this shade probably works best with nothing underneath it, so that's why I'm using it as the first shade. That's what we're looking like so far. I am getting a little bit of fallout, so what I'm going to do is take my Fenty Pro Filter powder in the shade Butter, shake it up a bit, and I'm just going to pack that underneath the eyes, like putting a lot. Can you see all the powder flying everywhere? Oof. Oh. This has literally lasted me the longest time. I think I've had it for over a year now, and I still have a lot left. So like that, I think that will help with any fallout. And when I'm done, I can just like flick it all off. So yeah, going in with the purple shade. Again, Not My Journey. As you can see, it's very pigmented, so that's really good. Just like that. Sorry I look a bit crazy with all this powder under my eyes, but it's okay. Now we're going to blend it out with the shade Therapy Sesh, which is this lighter purple just above it. This one right here. And I'm taking that on my Zoeva 221 Luxe Soft Crease brush. And just make sure you tap off the excess, because you don't want to go in with too much. So yeah, I'm just blending like literally just the edges of that Not My Journey shade, using windshield wiper motions and like circular motions, and that's blending out really nicely. A trick I use is to not set my eyeshadow primer, I mean the concealer that I use as my eyeshadow primer, because that leaves like a sticky base, and I feel like the eyeshadows stick to it better and come out more pigmented. Okay, now I'm going back in with the shade Not My Journey, which is the first shade we used, and I'm gonna like connect it to the outer corner of my eye, because I want like a V shape there, just like so. Very good explanation there, Aisha. But you can see what I'm doing. So I have been seeing a lot of looks going around on Instagram of people using this palette, and I have seen a lot of them use the purple tones with the orange, so I think it looks really nice together. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So now we have that crease shade down. I'm going to cut the inner portion just there, and I'm taking obviously Nabla concealer in the shade Ivory, and I finally got a new one, so that's good. Where's my brush? Where are you, Mr. Brush? No. Okay, there you are. So as usual, using the Zoeva 238 Luxe Precise shader to cut the crease. So in the inner portion, I'm just cutting it normally, and then on the outside I'm going to create like a V shape. My eyes are very wrinkly, so this is kind of difficult for me. Just like so. That is the shape that we are working with now. Now going to do the same on the other eye. And also my Tati Beauty palette just came in the post. It took so long because the post here in Italy is so slow. But yeah, I have the palette and the blender full. So tomorrow's video is going to be a full first impressions on both of those. I'm so excited to use it, especially the blender full, because I've had such good things. And I literally like just opened up the palette and it feels so expensive. I'm obsessed. So this is very difficult. That's why I'm not speaking a lot. Oh, I just need to concentrate. Okay, so now we need to go in with the lid shade. And as I said before, I want to take like an orangey shade. I think I'm going to take Positivity which is this like corally orange here, because I haven't used it yet. And we're going to take that on a flat brush, and I'm going to place that on the inner portion. No concealer, don't crease please, thank you. That's really nice, love that. So yeah, I'm taking that like halfway across the lid, and then I'm going to take maybe a more orangey shade and put that on the outer corner. I need to take a smaller brush because that one was too big and I can't get into the crease. This one doesn't have a name, sorry about that. Okay, now on the other eye. No, I keep dipping into my man. No, we need positivity, not my man. So this one is very pigmented. All of them are actually, to be honest. Just throughout my series I found that the only thing I've had a kind of problem with is the shimmery shades, because they aren't very opaque and you have to build them up a lot, but they're still really pretty. Right, now we're going to use, what do you think? Actually, you know what? I'm going to go with Heart On. I haven't used this one either. It's like a reddy shade here. And I'm going to blend that into this portion of the eye. I'm not going all the way to the end. So when you put them on the eye and like blend them together, they don't look that different. This one's just a bit more reddy toned. Okay, and now I'm going to take my man, which is the orange shade in the middle here. Actually, I'm not going to take that completely to the end, just like here, a teeny bit. Probably kind of pointless using all these different shades, to be honest, because as I said, once you blend them together, they just look the same. The last shade I'm going to take is Dance Party, which is this one here. It's like a pink, dark pink. Pink, dark pink. Very good, Aisha. Well done. Dance Party. Yeah, this one is showing up more because I think it's a lot darker than the other ones. Very nice. I'm just making sure I'm blending it into the orange shade, like swiping my brush across to just blend those two together. Right, that's what we are looking like so far. Okay, now finally it's time to wipe away all this powder. Oh my gosh, so much powder. At least it worked, like I don't have any fallout on my actual face on my foundation. Okay, for the lower lash line, I think we need to take the purple. This one, My Journey. Not My Journey. Not My Journey. Okay, and we're taking that on a pencil brush. This is my Zoeva 230 Luxe pencil. I'm just like joining the outer corner to the lower lash line. But I'm just putting that, yeah, on the outer portion. I'm not bringing it all the way along. Okay, so I think on the inner portion of the lower lash line, I'm going to use the orange shade. What's it called? No joke. This one, no, wait, orange, yellow, duh, yellow shade. Taking that on the same pencil brush. Actually, no, because I'm going to make a mess. So yeah, I'm just taking that on the inner portion. I'm going to leave the center blank because I'm going to take one of the orangey peachy shades. Just like so. And then in the middle, I'm taking the shade Positivity. This one right here. And putting that in the center, joining the yellow and the purple. Sorry about that. I can't not open my mouth when doing my lower lash line. Okay, now we need a highlight shade. We're going to go in with I'm In It, this one here, and with that one I'm just gonna highlight the brow bone. This brush is probably a little bit too big, but you know. Okay, and now that we've done that, I'm taking my MAC Black Track Gel Liner on an angle brush. This is the Zoeva 317 Wing Liner, and I'm just going to line the upper lash line just so that I conceal the lash band when I apply falsies. Then doing my trick that I always do, where I just bring it into the inner corner and elongate that, give a more lifted look. And then also on the waterline, just like that. Right, now the last thing left to do is to apply my falsies and mascara, and I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you like how it turned out. I really like the colour combination actually, so that's a good sign. And let's just zoom you in so you can take a closer look at the eyes. Oh gosh. All those orangey and peachy shades are so pigmented, as you can see on the lid there. And I quite like the pop of yellow on the lower lash line. I think it just adds something extra. So yeah, that is the eyes up close. Zoom out again. So this is the last look in my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette series. That was like a long name right there. So yeah, please do check out the previous looks in the series, and I will be back tomorrow with my first impressions using the Tati Beauty Blend for and the, what's it called? The textured volume and the textured, no, I don't know, the Tati Beauty palette. I'll let you know tomorrow when I open it up properly. So I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's video, and if you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also press the subscribe button down below, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.